today we're presenting you the brand new floor plan. It's a brand new floor plan, 2025 Coachmen Beyond 22D. The beauty about this floor plan, as you see, it come on a Ford Transit 350 HD. Coachmen Beyond, this particular unit, it come on the generators. It's already have the solars and the generators and the basic alternator. Also, it has a second alternator inside the chassis to support the unit. This one, I love the color. I call it the Audi color, which look like an Audi car. It comes with a nice power awning, as you see, with the LED light. It has three cameras, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side, as well in the back. It has the nice frameless windows, as you see, Coachmen Beyond the offer. It's on a dually chassis. Let me show you here. So it's on a dually chassis, so it gives you more stability. It has even plug here for 110 in case if you want to party outside. This unit comes with two cameras in the rear, where there's one camera on the monitor of the dashboard, as well the mirrors is also a rear camera for you, so you could see while you're driving. As you know, one screen you could see the GPS, and the rear camera you could see it as a camera too. As you see, I like the doors. They're big, easy to get in. And you see from here, it has the storage with the cup holders. Even here, there's the storage. You could put your power cord, extra tables on both sides. And then you have a sofa here, seating sofa with an eating table, as well another sofa. The beauty about the Beyond, what I really like, is they give you a solid screen door, come all the way down. I mean, I could show you, come all the way down. Let me take this, so you could see screen door. So you could keep it open, the fresh air come through, and no bugs walk inside. Has the bucket here, and then if you decide, very easy, close it. You have a class 3 hitch with a 7-way plug and 4-way plug. Over here you have the smart plug. As you see, here's where you fill the water tank. Give me a second. As well, you have here for the propane low point drain for the black tank. This class B come with the black tank for your black water. As well, it has a gray water tank. This is the muffler for the generators. Spray, you could spray your hand and wash your dog's feet. Additional solar panel prep on the side. I really like the nice fiberglass tip, as you see here, the molding. This is another sewage outlet connections, so you have one for black, one for gray. Keyless entry door. This is the camera for the driver's side. Nice bumpers, as you see. Beautiful Ford Transit. All the new stuff of Ford Transit on it. And also it has sensors on the front as well in the back. Let me take you inside the 22D. Who buy this Class B motorhome, he's buying quality and workmanship. And all these cabins you see in these is a solid wood. This is not a paper wrap, not a cheap PMD cabinet. This is a solid maple cabinet door. Even the fascia of the cabinet is solid maple. As you see, the beauty about this one, it has two sofas. So one this side, one that side. And both of them, they button up and become bed. But I really like is you have an eating table here. So somebody could serve, play with my laptop. And this TV is on a swing arm. There's two controllers. There's one controller on this side. As well, there's a controllers by the entry door. But look at the amount of storage on this Class B is unbelievable. That's what the beauty, when they give you the two couch in the back, it makes it very open. Even it's a small motorhome, but it makes it really open. Look, all this storage on both sides. Look the workmanship. Look the wood. Look the nice finishing inside the cabinet. The controllers. Also, this one has two stereo. There's one stereo here for the house, and then there's another stereo also in the dashboard. The TV is running smart TV, 24-inch, and it's on the swing arms. There's a controller. I could control the light, and the coach is right here, LCD controllers. There's a hidden storage inside the floor. You can see the amount of storage. I could store things here, whatever I like. And then it's very easy. I'm going to show you how it's easy to make this bed. And I'm demonstrating to you. I'm going to demonstrate half just to show you how it's so easy, because there's nothing to it. There's hidden boards underneath the side of these couches. You open the strap and you take this board all the way to the end. You take the other side all the way to the end. And you take these cushions, and you move this one away. I'm just going to do half of it to give you an idea what it looks like. You take these cushions, you drop this back, you drop this back, the one with the cup holders. You take this piece, you put it right here, and you take that piece, and voila. So you could see I do the same thing in this side, and then whole back is a bed. I just did have to have that just to demonstrate to you, to show how easy to make this bed. You remove this table, you put those two here, those two cushions come in the middle, and done. There's nothing to it. And then when you want to put it back as a sofa, you take it, put it back, take this side, you put it back, you put the cup holder for you, you raise the screen door, you put the board back and you strap it so it does not move when you're traveling. A safety feature. Voila. My bid is over. I could pass, I could walk from front all the way to the back, and I could enjoy my motorhome. You could see two people here, as well as driver, passenger, and you could see people over here. It's very roomy. Now, typical Coachmen motorhome, they come with the Truma AC, as well hot water heater and a heater. Then it has the fan convection microwave oven, electric. I could cook inside here. Fantastic fan in the kitchen with the rain sensor. I have nice fridge and a freezer. Look how big it is. It's big. Then when it's come to the kitchen cabinet and counter, they're all solid. I love this finishing. Solid. Show them how thick it is, the counter. And then you have a nice square sink with a faucet. True induction stove. Place for pantry. All the doors has latch, dovetail. They're all open. They're self-closing. As you see, as soon as I open it, they close by themselves. Place for your trash can, trash bag, your brush scrub. So all ready for you camping. Spice rack. I love the LED light underneath these windows. These windows come with nice shade, so you could see how fancy and how high end. Now, when we come to the showers, very easy, solid mirror, and then this piece will give you room, in case if I want to close and give more room for myself. Voila. So now I have more elbow for inside the shower. So this piece, it give you increase to give you the elbow shape, to give you more room to dress up. You see right now how it's locked. I could dress up. I could use the bathroom. And as you see, the shower, I love it. It's one piece, fiberglass. Come with a nice fixed sink. Like the competitor, they have folding sink. This one give you a permanent sink. Showers, they give you the nice mirror. Both way, magnet mirrors, you know, and everything come with it. You don't have to do nothing. They have also the nice venting here. So I open it and I get a fresh air. And then it's very easy to rinse and clean. Place for your soap dispensers and your toilet paper. Now this class B, it's have holding tank. Some competitors, they don't have holding tank. So this has a black tank, gray water tank, and a fresh water tank. Is not cassette toilet. The competitor is cassette toilet. The Beyond, no, it's a holding tank. And then when I'm done doing my business, close it. You can see it's very roomy, a lot of storage. Also come with additional space here for your seat to go back with no issue. Also that table over there come with additional table where you could put it here. So when you spin this seat, you have a table to sit and eat. So while this passenger, I could spin that chair, and the table come with additional one, go right here, so I could sit, eat. I could sit in the back and enjoy the motorhome. It has also nice screen door, so if I open this door, I could get fresh air without letting the bug inside. Unlock their controllers, easy to get in. So you can see here, I could start my generators. I could see all my battery levels, all powers. I could see, turn the air condition, auto start gen. So this is the beauty thing about this motorhome. It has auto start gen. So when the battery get low on this, the generator will kick by itself after I set it up. It kick by itself and keep my battery charged so I don't run out of power. And then here's where I turn all the lights. So it's one piece controller. This is I like about it, battery disconnect switch. So if I want to restore this unit, I flip the switch off and I kill the battery. This is for your Truma hot water heater, and this is for your awning. So you could see it's very easy to get in. Regarding the chassis, if you come over here, it's a typical Ford Transit unit, as you see. Let me start it for you guys. So it has a nice, I said here, Transit, beautiful big screen. It has adaptive cruise control, GPS. Okay, just give it a minute. So as you see, I could add a phone, I could sync navigations, I could do CarPlay, Android, loading maps, features, apps, and then you still have the mirrors in the back. So this is the mirrors. So I'm watching here. This is constantly, I could see what's in the back on the mirrors in the back. So you have two actually cameras. So when I put reverse here, watch, I'm gonna put reverse. So I have the camera from Ford, plus I have the camera from Coachmen. So it has two cameras in the rear. And on the side, so when I go right turn, it's going to give me the right turn mirrors and then the left. So you could see, this is, I mean, drive like a smooth car. You don't feel nothing when you're driving this Class B motor. Guys, if you're interested in this unit, please click the link underneath the video or go to bestrv.com, put a 22D Beyond, and it's going to show you all the picture specification and the price. Come to Best RV and get the best price on 22D, where no dealer in the state of California could match it. And what's our major goal here? No hidden fees, no bogus fees, no get ready package fees. All this work we're done for free, just so you pay the tax and license. Come to Best RV.